Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am so excited. I'm going to be sharing with you guys a little unboxing and review of the brand Abbott Lyon. And if you haven't heard of them, they are this incredible jewelry brand where you can really customize and personalize all of your pieces. They have so many cute little initial necklaces, name necklaces, birthstone stuff, just so many fun personalized designs. I feel like they make amazing gifts, and you know, the holiday season, gift giving time is literally just around the corner, so definitely a great brand to check out to get some of those really cute personalized items. But before we get into the full unboxing and review, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every Thursday and Saturday. And yeah, let's get into the video. All right, so I have my box that I have already opened a little bit. I was just so excited when this came in the mail that like I couldn't contain myself. So I did peek a little bit at what's inside, but I will show you guys all again the process. So here is the little box it came in, and on top we got this little card. So it has the brand name on it, Made More You. You can see, very cute. It's all like shiny and fun, and on the back it says your little bit of luxury awaits. Super cute. And this just has some of their details about the brand, their personalized luxury. So they have so many different personalized items you can get. This gives a little background about who they are. So the real focus here is that affordable luxury where you are getting such quality pieces for a really great price point. All of these pieces are like no tarnish, going to last multiple years, and just again really high quality. And you can just tell when you see it, you wear it, you put it on, you know that this is definitely going to last. They also share a focus on sustainability, being eco-friendly, which I think is so important for honestly every brand to have those values. But yeah, so that's what this little card booklet has. And then the box that the jewelry came in, this is like so nice. You could see it has the little logo on it, and it's this like sparkly gold. And then the back also has the logo, the website on it. It's kind of hard to see since it's this like metallic-y reflective writing on it on here. But it is just so beautiful and like very nice quality. And then you can go ahead and slide this out, which is very nice. This is just a little cover. And then it's the same branding on this inner box. So you have the AL and the website on the back, and then there is this beautiful gold metallic box again within it. So this is just a very fun unboxing. I'll go ahead and slide it out, and this is where the necklace is in. So you get another little card here, and this just has more details about the brand, some care tips. So you got that, and this is like very nice, like cardstock, kind of waxy. It feels very luxurious. And then you get a little cloth to wipe it down and keep it clean, and then a little bit of tissue paper because, you know, we're just making it a full luxury experience. And then finally you can get to the actual necklace, which is in this velvet box. So I'll go ahead and pull it out. Here's the box that it was in. You can see it's in that velvet. Very nice. So this is their initial choker, which is one of their best-selling pieces, and it's very clear why. This is seriously so cute and such nice quality. It does have like a bit of a weight to it, which again just goes to it being like very nice quality. And I actually did not put my initials on it, which I know seems kind of weird, but I think that's just kind of the fun of having a personalized experience. You can really put any two letters you want next to each other. So I put a J and a T for my name. It starts with a T, Tara, and my husband's name, Jake, starts with a J. So that is kind of the thought behind the JT, the TJ. And I just think it's really cute and fun and a little bit different. But yeah, so I really like that opportunity to, you know, you can really pick any two letters you want. You can do your initials and give it as a gift and use their initials, or as kind of like a couple thing. You can put your name and his name, or if you have kids, you can put their initials on it. So there's just so many different ways that you can personalize this and make it your own. But yeah, so there is the initials on here. Oh, I think I have it backwards. Did I have it backwards? I did. So here are the initials. And I was actually surprised with the sizing on this. I felt like it was going to be a little bit like a bigger and like chunkier, but I'm actually quite happy, like pleasantly surprised by the sizing on it. It's actually dainty and elegant. Not to say that they like didn't clearly show the sizing on the website. I just have a low attention to detail, I guess. And in my mind, it was going to be bigger than it was, but I was pleasantly surprised when I saw the sizing on this. It is a very nice, delicate piece, and it's not super in your face, which is definitely more my style. I like a more simple, minimalist, dainty kind of jewelry, but I do like the fact that this is a little bit thicker than some of my other pieces because it definitely gives dimension to your jewelry. If you want to do a stacked necklace look, this is a great starting piece to be kind of that highest up choker point, and then you can have different necklaces hanging with it. This does come in a couple different styles where you can get it mixed metal with that gold and silver look, just the pure gold that I got, or I think just pure silver as well. So there is some variety. If you're more of a silver girl, a gold girl, a mixed metal girl, you have a lot of options. And then I'll show you guys just the different lengths on this. So it can get quite up high since it is a choker, so it is going to be just generally a shorter length, and I think that looks really good with the actual style of it. I feel like with this chunkier chain, it does look good as a shorter piece, kind of like I was saying for those necklace stacks, to have it a little bit higher up in the stack. All right, so I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on its shortest setting. So it is, and this clasp is also really nice. I feel like sometimes they get like stuck and are like thick. All right, so you can see I have it on its shortest setting. All right, so here it is at the shortest setting, and again, this is very much a choker style, which is what it is when you order it. It is a choker, not like an actual necklace, and I think this is so cute and very flattering. I just really love the thickness of it. Like, it's not too chunky and too thick where it looks almost costumey when you wear it. So I think this is still very elegant, very chic, very cute. But yeah, so that is the highest setting on it. I'll zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see a little close-up of the highest setting. Very cute. So yeah, that is the highest setting, and then I will show you guys the lowest setting. So I'll go ahead and just move it down. All right, so here it is on that lowest level. All right, so here it is on the lowest setting, and again, it is still a really nice length. This definitely is giving more of a necklace vibe than a choker, but I actually kind of like that, so you get a little bit of variety in how you're wearing it. This is like not too low of a top, so I feel like this is like a good gauge, just kind of see where it falls. But yeah, so this is the lowest setting. I'll go ahead and zoom you guys in for this one. And I'll go ahead and zoom you guys back out. And yeah, so that is the lowest setting on this, and again, it is still in a good place where you can like stack other necklaces with it, but honestly on its own I feel like it gives a very elegant, chic look, because again, it isn't too chunky that it looks kind of like it needs something else going with it. Yeah, so I actually kind of like this as its own little necklace. But yeah, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys just the middle, I guess. So here's kind of like in the middle. There it is. So yeah, I feel like there is quite a bit of versatility on the layering aspect of it, or where you want to like wear it with the top. But I do really like that you still have that choker option, because I don't really have a lot of necklaces that actually are that short and can go up as a choker piece. So I think it's really nice, especially when I'm going to be stacking necklaces or wearing it with other pieces. It can kind of give that variety to my jewelry collection. But yeah, so overall I feel like this piece is just such a beautiful necklace, and also makes a really amazing and personalized gift. And again, just a huge thank you to the brand for sending me this necklace. Again, I will be linking this exact necklace in my description, as well as their website where you can check out more of their items. Again, they have so many different style necklaces and chokers and pieces that you can personalize and customize for yourself or for somebody else. The ordering process too is honestly really nice. They give you so many updates as you're waiting to get your order. You can see when you initially get it, when they're creating it, when they're going to send it to you. So I've actually really enjoyed that. I felt like it was a very nice experience. They are all like custom made to order. So again, you are getting such a high quality piece, and the pricing is also very reasonable. But yeah, such an incredible brand. Also, be sure to leave a comment down below. Which category of jewelry do you guys like the best? Are you more of a necklace person, a bracelet, ring, earring? I'm always curious to hear what you guys think. But yeah, if you enjoyed this style video unboxing and review, be sure you give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all on the next one.